My brother, in last 24 hours, all cryptocurrencies will moving upward now. And if you just and only my friend see the last 1 day chart, 11.48% profit in last 1 hour, as you can see here, plus 3.37% profit. So that's claim of this to the XRP price will very fastly increasing, and this time the XRP price is come to 0.923652 USD dollar. I think that's a very huge jump now. 47.19% they will profit in last 1 month, and definitely the current condition is also very good now. The price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and definitely I am so happy because I am also holder of XRP now. My brother, the price will be increasing if a holder are stop selling, and definitely if they are starting investing more and more. So I just my friend, one thing I want to share with my all viewers, my subscriber, to please hold it now. Everybody know this, my brothers, to after a fails every coin will wake up and take a huge jump now. So therefore I know, my brothers, to absolutely, my brother, in upcoming time after this long fails, my friends, I know to they will longly moving upward and they will completely go in the moon now. Let's see holders to what they do, but kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And absolutely ABSX channel will guide you, update you every day. So if you have any question, ask me, my brother, on my channel, and absolutely the all links available on my channel. Go now, the Instagram, Twitter, every links, my brother, available now. Message me. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.